apple cider vinegar, cinnamon, lemon. That's it. 3 ingredients. 1 shot. Used for centuries to ignite fat loss, regulate blood sugar, and reset your energy. Most people think metabolism is about genetics or exercise, but this ritual rewrites the rules. Let's break the myth and unlock the metabolic shot. The truth is, your metabolism isn't broken. It's confused. Years of processed food, sugar spikes, and constant stress create chaos. This isn't about dieting harder. It's about sending a clean chemical signal at the right time. And this shot does just that. Within 20 minutes of drinking it, people often report a lighter belly, fewer sugar cravings, a strange calm like their body is finally resetting. A woman in her 50s struggling with belly fat wrote, "I've tried everything for belly fat. I felt the shift on day 3. So what's actually happening? Apple cider vinegar isn't just acidic. It triggers enzymes in your liver. Cinnamon helps buffer sugar absorption and stabilize energy. Lemon kicks up your bile and helps flush your system. Together, they're like a metabolic on switch, and they act fast. One man in his 40s emailed, "After 2 days, I didn't need coffee to wake up. My brain fog disappeared. My stomach flattened. I felt clean." And that's because this combo isn't working on the surface. It goes deep. ACV works at the cellular level, increasing AMPK, a metabolic master regulator. Cinnamon increases insulin sensitivity, helping your cells absorb glucose. Lemon reduces internal inflammation that blocks hormonal flow. This isn't a cleanse. It's a wake-up call to your digestion, hormones, cravings, and energy. And the best part? It doesn't take a month. You feel it within days. But here's the twist. It's just the first layer. Because when you stack these ingredients together at the right time of day, you don't just boost digestion. You change how your cells process energy. You influence hormones, hunger, and even your mood. That's what most people miss. It's not just what you take, it's when and how. Get that wrong, and you get nothing. Get it right, and your metabolism becomes an ally again. Let's get into the metabolic chemistry. A study published in the Journal of Functional Foods found that daily consumption of apple cider vinegar significantly reduced post-meal blood sugar and insulin levels in overweight adults. The key compound? Acetic acid. It slows gastric emptying, improves insulin sensitivity, reduces fat accumulation, and even influences genes related to fat burning. Another study in diabetes research and clinical practice showed that vinegar improved insulin response in type 2 diabetics, meaning it doesn't just blunt the spike, it improves how your cells use glucose. Cinnamon is more than a spice. It's a metabolic regulator. Ceylon cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde, which enhances insulin receptor activity and improves glucose uptake. Research from Metabolism Clinical and Experimental found it reduced fasting blood sugar and LDL cholesterol over 12 weeks in pre-diabetic subjects. Additional studies suggest cinnamon may mimic insulin itself, increasing glucose uptake and glycogen storage. This means more energy reaches your muscles instead of becoming stored fat. Lemon adds the antioxidant punch. Rich in vitamin C, citric acid, and polyphenols, it reduces oxidative stress, which is a silent killer of metabolism. It also boosts bile production, improving fat digestion and liver detox. And don't underestimate lemon's role in alkalizing the body, improving hydration, and enhancing nutrient absorption from food. Together, these 3 ingredients form a synergistic metabolic trigger, balancing insulin, cortisol, and leptin while enhancing mitochondrial output. The tiny power plants inside your cells that turn nutrients into usable energy for every function your body performs. This isn't hype. It's systems biology in a glass. A powerful blend of tradition and biochemistry that targets the deepest layers of metabolic regulation. And remember, timing is everything. When taken first thing in the morning before food, this shot sends a biochemical signal. Tap into fat stores. Not sugar, not caffeine. Stored fat. One woman described it like this: "I started drinking it before breakfast. and within days, my appetite changed. My cravings were gone. Another person said, my bloating vanished. I felt flatter by day 2. Here's why. Apple cider vinegar helps stabilize blood sugar and keeps insulin low, allowing your body to access fat for fuel. Cinnamon enhances insulin sensitivity and helps block wild glucose swings. Lemon activates your liver and bile, helping digest fat more efficiently. But the key isn't just what's in the shot, it's when you take it. Taken on an empty stomach, cortisol is naturally elevated. This ritual leverages that moment to push your metabolism toward fat burning. This isn't about starving yourself, it's about priming your system. So, your first internal signal of the day is burn fat, not sugar. Once your blood sugar stabilizes, your cravings fade, your mood evens out, and energy smooths across the day. That's the power of starting your day with biochemistry and intention. When your metabolism starts in balance, everything else follows. Your cravings, your clarity, your calm. It's not just what you burn, it's how you feel doing it. But here's where most people fail. They chug vinegar alone, or use the wrong type of cinnamon. Or worse, they take it with food, completely blocking the effect. They hear about the ritual, but they skip the method. And the method is everything. Wrong cinnamon? No blood sugar control. Taken with food? No fat burning. Taken too late? Cortisol window missed. This is precision, not guesswork. Let's fix that. This isn't just about weight loss. Users report better sleep, more stable mood, clearer skin, and even reduced PMS symptoms. A man recovering from burnout wrote, "I've been on antidepressants for years. After 2 weeks of the shot, my mood started lifting. I didn't expect that. My skin cleared up. I felt lighter. Not just physically, mentally." Why? Because metabolism isn't just about calories. It's your energy flow, your hormonal balance, your biochemical rhythm. And this shot tunes the whole system. When insulin and cortisol are regulated, everything downstream improves. Serotonin, dopamine, estrogen, even melatonin. You sleep better. You recover faster. You feel more stable, more focused, less reactive. And it doesn't take long. Within a week, most people report feeling more balanced, not just in their body, but in their emotions. That's because your metabolism isn't isolated. It touches every system: brain, gut, hormones, immunity. This ritual doesn't just burn fat. It brings your entire internal world back into sync. This is why ancient systems like Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine emphasize morning tonics. They knew, before the lab coats confirmed it, that how you start your day shapes everything. And now you know it too. You're not just drinking a morning tonic, you're rebuilding your baseline. One sip at a time, your system resets its rhythm, mood, hunger, energy, and starts flowing like it's meant to. The best part? This ritual takes 60 seconds. But what it gives you is a metabolism that finally works with you, not against you. It's not just about weight, it's about feeling in control. No more crashes, no more cravings, no more chaos. Just calm energy, smooth digestion, and a body that finally listens. Your brain sharpens, your mood evens out, your energy sustains, all from one shot. The recipe: 1 tablespoon raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother, 1/2 teaspoon Ceylon cinnamon, not cassia, juice of 1/2 fresh lemon. Optional: 100 milliliters warm water and a tiny drop of honey for taste. This combo works best when mixed fresh. Warm water helps activate the compounds and makes it easier to digest. Use a glass or ceramic cup. Metal can react with the acidity. When to take? First thing in the morning, on empty stomach. Wait 20 to 30 minutes before eating breakfast. Take daily for 7 to 10 days, then cycle off for 3 days. Your body builds a rhythm with repetition, but even good rituals need rest. Cycling prevents adaptation and keeps the benefits sharp. Optional stack: add a pinch of cayenne for a thermogenic effect, raises internal temperature to burn more fat, or a dash of turmeric to boost anti-inflammatory pathways. Some people even add ginger or black pepper to enhance absorption. Prefer to sip slowly? Mix with more warm water and stretch it over 5 to 10 minutes. Want it over fast? Shoot it back, rinse, and move on. It works either way, as long as you're consistent. Remember, you're not taking a supplement. You're performing a chemical ritual. One that tells your body, we're starting the day in balance. Commit to 7 days. Journal how you feel. Most people report noticeable changes in digestion, energy, and hunger within 72 hours. Some even notice clearer skin and improved mood. This isn't magic. It's a practice biochemical cue, a daily trigger that reminds your body how to burn, digest, and reset efficiently. And your body knows exactly what to do with it. If you have ulcers, GERD, or are on blood sugar or blood pressure meds, talk to your doctor before starting. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar can irritate sensitive stomach linings. Always rinse your mouth after drinking. The acidity can erode tooth enamel. Drinking through a straw may also help. Start with a lower dose, 1/2 tablespoon vinegar, if you're new. Increase gradually once tolerated. Never drink it straight. Always dilute it, either in warm water or mixed with lemon and cinnamon. Pregnant or breastfeeding, talk to your doctor. If you feel discomfort, nausea, or burning, pause the ritual and reassess. Everyone's body is different. People with kidney issues or low potassium levels should also be cautious. Vinegar may worsen those conditions if overused. This isn't just juice, it's a chemical signal. Use it with care and attention. What if one shot could change how your body processes food? How you feel when you wake up? How much control you feel over your cravings, your hunger, your mood? This isn't just a drink, it's a metabolic ritual, a 60-second act that sends a powerful signal to every organ system that matters. It tells your body, we're starting clean. We're not reacting. We're regulating. Because when your metabolism is aligned, your entire life gets lighter. Food becomes fuel. Cravings lose their grip. Fat stops storing and starts burning. Your skin clears. Your breath deepens. Your sleep improves. Your brain wakes up without caffeine. It doesn't take months. You feel it in days, sometimes hours. A woman dealing with hormonal shifts said, "After just one morning, I felt different. This gave me something I haven't had in years, momentum." This ritual isn't about hacks. It's about memory, cellular memory. Your body remembers how to function when you give it the right signal. One ritual, 3 ingredients, a complete internal reset. And the best part? You don't need to change everything. Just start here. One shot, one shift, one body, finally back online. And maybe this time you'll stick with it. Not because it's hard, but because it feels good. Because your body isn't fighting anymore. It's flowing. That's when everything else becomes easier. Want to go deeper? Try this nighttime version. It pairs with your morning shot to create a full 24-hour metabolic rhythm. Swap lemon for ginger juice. It soothes the gut and supports nighttime digestion. Add a sprinkle of turmeric, supports liver detox and calms inflammation. Optional, a pinch of black pepper improves turmeric absorption. Take it 30 minutes before bed. It helps reduce cravings, supports sleep, and ease digestion. Use it 2 to 3 nights per week. Optional, but for those ready to go all in, this is your metabolic recovery ritual. If this ritual hit you, don't stop here. Because the next one, it's faster, simpler, and works in just 3 days. A mix of garlic, lemon, and honey is a classic immunity bomb, detoxing your blood, reducing inflammation, and lighting up your cells. One clears toxins, one boosts energy, one fights infection. People feel the shift within hours. Energy evens out. Brain fog lifts, skin glows. Take it before bed or mid-morning on an empty stomach. Either way, it hits fast. Tap now. The next ritual is up. A 3-day immunity reset that's already helped thousands feel lighter, clearer, and recharged. Don't wait. It's the next step. Stack your rituals. Keep the rhythm. Your transformation is already in motion.